Hello, my people. How you guys doing? It's your one and only mommy Suzy Suzy, your sexy grandma. How you guys doing, my lovely, amazing people? Tomorrow is holiday here in Belgium. Hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Me, I'm going to enjoy my whole. I go sleep, I go rest. Okay, tomorrow I will not do anything. Now just to eat and relax and relax and relax. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening from your mommy Suzy Suzy One International. The latest new millennium saga queen in town. Yes, I want to win her. I'm here. Okay, a matured one for that matter. Good evening, sweetie. How you doing? Share the video, share the video. Share the video. Here one of the universe, the old Buduweri, the Akataka. Good evening, my darling favor. The Akataka. The woman at Tiba and Caliber. You've
got mail.
You are trying me. Okay, my people. Mona share, I'm not going to stay long. It's a very quick one. Share the video, share the video, share the video, share this video. Share this video, share the video. Okay, good evening, my darling Cynthia. Good evening, everyone. Una know the reason why I love this, my Yeki One International. Una know why I love her. Hey, una know why I love her. I love person where happiness the full body would. Because if you be person where get happiness, always and not the time, trust me, you no go lack. You go so going. Anything like you don't have anything to do with sadness, anything to do with grudges in your mind. You will always like to free your mind and be calm, you know. I told they like that kind of person. And if you be person where not they carry person for mind, even though the person do you something, you just want to say it out so that you can be free. Edeme denwari ba enela wegbe. Edeme denwari obo yemi nedu no denwe. Edeme denwari ba enela wegbe. Edeme denwari go neke ya gewo boja. Etene tene ke nuki ya ma webu iwa. I'm just telling you guys the truth. Okay? I'm just telling you guys the truth. You mbebe see in life, if you be person where every agario where they go about over live free, I swear. Wait till come me amedan. Okay? Good evening, my darling Sophie. We met you come me amedan because even no mobojo ma come me ameno we go sabo dia home no me ameno we gbe. Wa ne mi ne keke no rio we rio even na do ya we are stressed and depressed. Uka wa come me fever one wa do ye guagara. Are you getting me, my people? O mani wa do ye guagara. But man no naga o man e mi ye hoy. O man no free e uki. Even no we just of you want to pour it out, or pour it out in there. Who are free? Her heart is. Oh, you can say that again, my darling Cynthia. Okay, you go come me. To come me. Say all they go to me. The only reason I love this woman is because her good heart. I swear to God who made me. It's because of her good heart. Ever so I tell whenever we understand the what's it called? No buy Facebook. See, back where one on one. You will know that. Money can wear the live video. I'm telling you. Some people me na be person. Una not say me. I be one kind person. I dey do pak. Now be say I know they carry something for mind. Ebi awa aro mo really why I hurt him. Any gba gbenya we pak. Ya gba gbenya we ni oya. But another thing where I dey do, as I be stay away from person. That is one thing about me. Okay. But the reason I love this woman is that when she say I don't want to have anything to do with you again, opa. Better me awa aro e ko wa po me kwa pa. Una ga mo very yo Even though you una dust ekwa. I'm telling you guys, if you get anything where they do you for man, instead of fear, no matter eba eji, ube ya bob ye pok pa beju when one stole energy. I'm telling you, my very one. Papa na mi ame ko gba eni. E mi ni no what this stop we ko ni ne kan dey we digest ni level here. U wa re yin, u we ko weri. So that ebe nu riri aye, ame nu riri awon, anye riri awon, o wa digest, u may not live freely. That is how to live long life. Okay? Who beg of you one ya mo egboto. Giagbewa. Are you getting me? So me, I love Yeki for who she is. You get? I love her for who she is. Okay? Everybody around me, you don't be my friend. Or when the matter where woman, Ike, in as no air affecting me. I love you for who you is. Because in life, honestly now, a life able, I too like her. You know why? If, for example, now, cigar walk by your enemy, and doctor can look and say they get too much of cigarette now you they smoke. Doctor will tell you, say, this cigarette not good for your health again, you need to stop it. And you not go just tell you, say, bye, if you know here, walk woman, uno packet to see there, who walk back, or woman, no vision, stop to the smoke food packet, whether not 24 days, it will say you they smoke 12. Well, they say 12 in it, okay? Or helicopter, any, not a high any. Okay, where the air will turn it. Then from 12, or be like 6. From 6, or like 3. From 3, or like 1 stick. Play. And you might stop it. You see, now so you both to do that. They know they push person say, you must do this. You must do this. Are you getting me? And you live a life. On behalf of all Iyeki lovers. Now not say me I be a DD. Okay? Me I be DD. Me I not get problem. Only waiting that they tell and say, oh, man, no ever man down on all hand when no see your way. Stay away from that person. Anybody no see a veggie make be me day both telephone any here me ya learn that person. It is waji. And they got tanning inside. And I've been doing it before because of favor me. Or not say nobody when you're stepping in. Are you getting me? Good evening, everyone. Okay? So now so life they be. She wait to say she want forgive that fake account. She gets her own reason. Let me tell you something in life. Una the thing say, apart from social media, she don't get another life where she they use, where she they live. Apart from social media, she have another life. When she's living, she's human. She has family. She have fathers. She have mother. She came from a very large family. She gets Ekbenobiji. She gets children. She gets sister-in-law. She gets brother-in-law. She gets husband. I believe before she do this announcement, she have already discussed it. Hello. Before she did this announcement, she has already discussed it. And it's a yati where they pay they busy. Are you getting me, my people? So before she do it, definitely, maybe it's possible she discussed it with her family, or her husband, or her children. In her caucus, you don't know. Are you getting me? Everything has a purpose. So on behalf of Iyeki lovers, I am joining her to apologize to all of you. Nakeno sekeno rami. Wage gui wa mo ujoto. Wabege la se fonwe we. Could it be something came up? Okay? Could it be there is a reason? Could it be she just want to do it, or you know, those kind of things? When we be positive, very negative. But you also know positive or no ma. You also know about dark bema. So when we last say fena ni emi aro we you no e wo border wo you. Ne kan yo yon so to. Are you getting me, my people? You are messing you boko jail. Those last citizen responsible mother original joy amazing. Okay, so that is it. You are welcome, my darling. So I beg all Iyeki lovers, me, sweet Edie, the swagalicious, sexy grandma, the sexy grandma, always look young and beautiful. The sexy young, sexy grandma, 20 year 2000, as he call of B, so na so he be. As he call my call of B, where I knew enter abroad, na so he be. The only change for my body say I can't hard weight. Okay, but it is well. My beauty is still with me. I beg. Alidan. If you go your talk, you go make buwa. Ave baba, ave J. Blessed Dominion your both are J. Ave Kadele, no your boss, Monica. No be a dog bolo jeki. Wala wa mo bon wa ya movie wa ya mo. Ijeke yo mo ya wo mo. Iyo mo reki no mo fe de yeki. Wala ho. Wala ho wa mo zo yuto. Wa gege sonu wa. Wa gimage la se fuguga. Veni kata sinwe abi. Egbo ori kama ra. Imano si ko betie ra. Omina miwe ra. I pastor tamae ra. O dafon tamae ra. Oba ogwe no making you happy anything. Wa gimage lo do go video. La fe social media makia wa live here. O madastan o saloba no gatso. Ben wa mi na meoma na oru webun na na gwa lezo imani dei. O ma ve ni meje o ma no like ke na na ku ke na na gogo. Ni ya la te social media na se ke Monica. Evi pun. Ni me le gbe spirit no le Monica can achieve. E toki wo me. Awawa. O ma e ka ma e Monica ma cat no e no se ko ma cat no ba me love say I can share a gift with je. Ofo. Bet ni meya le ni akia me bege mi ni bon. Vote social media na. A go e ke no salo boy la rie. No da rie o se ke ni meje. I not allow now. Na truth. I not allow now. Ni meya so ale le Monica kia emi buni name from this lady. Emi wa buni wa len kakabo. Okay no ma. Sorry, my sweethearts. My darling favorites. Okpoko nije. Mweze yutoji. Okay? You see, I was very angry too, but I have thought to myself, maybe she has a personal reason. I am not angry anymore. Oh, my love, we again. Uwa Agbo ama wa uwa ato. Ben wa be ya mu January saloba ya gi onware. No we ho wa boge no ma. Ona ita da legbe na kani ni na ka we Mommy Suzy. Urugbe keji Mommy Suzy. Urugbe kato Mommy Suzy. Urugbe wardrobe Mommy Suzy. Ori ebone Mommy Suzy. E fake no Mommy Suzy. E no fake. Oma no gwa was saying get my boy gbaje school from ABC to primary 6 Volua primary school till today. Babo se veni mama good dead. Ima waje cool. Or say no something no me. Or may tell me mama de charge you friend now they tell na so. Ave man be kan in Italy o nipa are UK o. Man my back I say for 20 years, 25 years, 30 years. Wa me ya yikwa me ya we fe. All of them they are coming from UK, they are coming from Highland. Una go see all of them. 20 years friends, 25 years friends. I get all of them. We know the quarrel. Ima waje cool. Understanding matters a lot. Understanding matters a lot. Are you getting me? Father General, my next life husband for real. Oh, no, Buffy my way. Salo boy ni cow. Unwi my fire talk bomani. Eke me boy yari agmaria me rudani. Yave open floor no ni my fa. Agbo amam. Ye guy president, me guy first lady. Oh, desuzu. Who goes them? I'm your bomber, but one this one short live. Domosa. A mama will be a canny ya with Benawa. Are you getting me, my people? So that is it. Uga sike Monica. Unaga e presenter. Una sikoi. In one way or another. Almost me better way. Me better way. Yes, Ona. Or leg baby blessing me. I'm telling you guys. Oma kigo me. Oma de telephone me. Oma kiga den away me. Better me leg being me. That's me. One in me. A boy get it say, or when no my yak be and fianu, a diak but of way yak be henny. Utobo way yak be. Are you getting me, my people? So, Ohona, Oma no ma, e imi eji, to imeo, imagine the money care woo, The presenter yavi who here. Domanoga semele lehia. Monica Lobolobo. Domani anseti yawo se. Monica Lobolobo. Domani anseti leva ya ko ifome di fian le ko ni egbe jesi ade comfortable. Monica Lobolobo. I am telling you guys. If you be commenters, you be viewers. I use God to beg you. You're not close to her. Just take the time close to her and see. She's a very simple and easy person. Are you getting me? She's a very lovely and a very simple person as why. I swear to God who made me. My baby no wow bag eh? You told the wasi koi. Evi ya no maya fe we u ga egu meta mo abe ma so wa le kian. U meti achieve me rokpa. You told the man wa le de ma so kian wa gbugbo. Erwe owenya, o eri owenya, o eri owe guy. Na me dey tell you, u me pade la jam gbugbo. E ma so waro, wa le kian na mugbo. Ije me o. Ah no whether to we ye mani o yakọ gbugbo ni. Habija, eri boy ma bi o ko, e na me ma no boy ma bi o ko. Eri am wa no asike. E o salopo ari no. Ma be me ma wa le gbe kian ma mi egbelere ya o. Be ma ya le gbe kian. Iyeki. Iye boy. If you any my if make in 2018. Okay? Then my yale le be here. Be my me sign of bad spirit no so ma di game we prima. Imaemio. E no dey. Imaemio. Are you getting me, my people? So that is the reason they are saying that. She they pretend or she they do this one. I am not a baby. Let me pretend. If my pretense can protect a friendship for 5 years, with that, we not quarrel. That means that pretense. Ya will be there di buy. No me now we be 5 years away with the buy. They go my favor way. Or mommy get here favor on and also the Gweu is another different friend entirely. Ni Gwemani ke a love for you and ma distract when you get love for Marie. A love for you no ma be distract when you get love for Marie. Why quick come say. Okay, many measure one on me boy making. Oh ma e can I any lag if you are going to a soul salopua. Are you getting me? You may call the jack bally no my dear coy. You go on a balloy. You we call it never. The yak bally mama jiho. You want the baby titi lie. You might not come on your see your mother me. I would like to revenge immediately. You might like a pest, you might like a control. Or about me instantly. You want like anyone here instantly. Once the end winning, I move. Always see me digi. Is you when I'm a red light in nesi. Or mamma me no ye young berry. If Jesus Christ or will let there be light. A Latin area. Yagania. Have you probably speak? I don't tell me you the spirit. Oh, you're so about why you're for a bone. Oh, you're back your Joe. Oh, beg your way lighty. I also know when I hear. Netayak be see 8 o'clock. Yalla red light even as before the red light. Aquania mama national holiday. A red light in one hour. A day Friday, oh yeah, red light will continue. 8 hours every way. A red light or we may pay sleep or go ye. You don't know my people. Okay, if you are going to do if no matter the ati una mosene, expect you no mose. I must to ababe kiale we be ya either you like it or not. Oho no mose abogene. A tutu puyoyo, akaga tutu puyoyo go re. Umi okwo pa ne mose. Okwo pa no gi kori na we oge. Aka go ge. Ti e de na ga ige amweko yoba we ya. Be no na kori so we weke a ohama. Ono se na na ka no ge. Ma begi mana no se no pa wa ji mose wa bless ke imi wa atina. Evi ya no sanopa ya je ohu no attractive work be osaba ya blessing. 1, my smiley face. 2, my set of teeth opposite na ye gbo. You see? Okay? Me agia low. Conscience. If you close to me where if I really me na agia one side deep post of woman or e kokbe la wo ye twin. You get me? Egbe me ya ye lore. Osage osage call you about I'm my children. Egbe me ya ye ko egbe me na wa ye pu na go bi ajebo ufu you know. Are you getting me, my people? So you know. Okay? So ma atani an where you say which one be red light again why he say which one be red light pay sleep again ija we ma ata we red light in na win na be go the yaje Nigeria so just like we ma Nigeria Wa when I red let it be bedroom. A deal got me €5,000 back bash every blessed day. In case it do I got day, I know one day. €5,000 wa no to wa gba. We man need 3 hours to make €5,000 every blessed day. In case it do I feel more I don't have a red that in the bedroom. So don't make no Nigeria every day when mommy Suzy Suzy because I can't Nigeria. You need to consume money. Okay, your ticket money can work by your is 1,000 something because why I get tickets in the mede. Me do 24 to 23 day. Right from in memoria. Okay? There only you go to Aron Ayari right? You go to Rona Abama na aja no seli on waro. Na ari ne gbero, na ari no weke mi kemi, na ari ne sango bolokun, na ya via your via. O aba hareje ya poto no tagba because money na water has spread day. Along the night, where you are going to 1 month, you give estimate. Sometimes it can be 4 million or 5 million. I swear to God who made me. Except unaga oma, okay? Unaga oma, ne rieva esi, ne miza. Because we measure ujana make if I chop, and every day at this oko, minimum price visoko 15,000, 20,000 because we are legal. Everybody go shop. That is one really bad me. Are you getting me? So Iyoki. I love you for your good heart. Please, my darling sister, don't change. Don't change. So a lot of people will talk say, Nabak, I want a good man. Igwese na kena. Oh no now people go talk. Even no one make benegwa the peace on say na me a presenter so the way ya gwale. So ni ayari la no say na gbomana ma ye. Iya mo bokko ni go yan ya so seka. Igezo ebe na ya o seka. Are you getting me? Okay? Free your mind to say something out. Omadi obligado. But your fans can say, wow, because of the hurt and everything. They will say, no, they don't want. Yes. They pour their anger out, which I support them also. And I join Iyeki also on behalf of Iyeki household. I join and apologize to all of you. Upon waya movie wa. The waya jano mon when waya mo ya mwekea omono enegbe no mono meko no maino wa kin azose iwo emi ya e ka go se magbesi gbe ni enu ebe de na go se we na go ma dano ma be go se no je ko ya lele wekia very very important. I'm telling you guys wage o even me yage wanike yage yo ma de obligado there is no problem, but even me yage is quite different, and I'm so happy, okay, to choose her like a sister. It has nothing to do with me. I move. Nori me koni ni me oni or the happiness in me. No be oni mo problem in ori ye dark be me. Are you getting me, my people? Likewise in life, because there are some reasons when that day night mo baba. Iwe wa ga mo e bo yon we by the social media na. Maya me pe. Maya wa me pe. Are you getting me? Miami be. No me rameje. No meje ye meje. But ne me rameje ni yan ko salopa ko kiane mi la ne me ruru. Ne me rameje ni o me gbe o me ra o me maya. You see, Mama aka oh God. See as if for this picture. Hey, yeah, thank you, my darling sweetheart. Thank you. Are you getting me? So that maybe the decision city is from the family or from the family of the husband, which is More, or from the husband, or na so God tell leader make it do one, or he dreams here, or na he pastor tell her. You don't know. Are you getting me? You don't know. Say she get it very. You can say that again, Madali Obaseki. She has a very good heart, Madali Osasu. You can say that again. That is the most reason I love her. She'll just do our back. Or what we phone, very big. You want to yet in the lake. Ah, boy. Or one, you know, music, be on a in my like a spirit meti attach on one. Understand? A real vagina, you can't be with relationship. A relationship, you know, you in my like a spirit meti accommodate to Banegua. A open of your ball boss. Okay, maybe for example, where waiting day, now waiting day, hey, what's up, yeah, what's up, nigga, those kind of stuff. And that person will spirit the DJ. Or man, the spirit a DJ, I feel for velele here. Or man, the spirit a DJ, he go velele here. You get, he go velele here. You understand me, my people? So that is it. Saloba no la wugu, no give my yato, no give my wugu, my. Every animal have social media na man ekben okay. Okay, we all have family. Where they look at. Let us say banner anything now play the family a social media man. Okay, like anybody threatening me on social media. For instance, you they threatening my enemy for social media. Get that for your mind. That threatening you threatening me, I must copy it and send it to my family. It's a normal thing. Maybe you think it's a normal thing. Okay, it's no problem. That is the way you get on. That one, not the way you take him. Or he may. You understand? He will give you, we will not soon. Or say, well, washing me. Imo ni a woman. So that Ezo, Ogumeta, so Madali Bleble, good evening, sweetie. So that Ezo, ya can't queer. It's a no soon. You only don't get so party one or year. A shame at this grace, don't get baby where more women. Again, I don't know my baby working who are passing. Where I day, Joe, when I got away, baby, where una walking outside. Or message, you know, Maggie say, guess a position where you would do. You wait to bed, I don't be stupid. Where Maggie, that can't you don't need them again. Okay? You don't need them again. But that one not me say you don't want trouble. You they do your all they go, you want to respect yourself. That one not me say if one person no feel getting a deep press although you need bed you work be. No. I hate oppression. Even in my working place. There was a day I just used to start my working place. You know, so those bureau, all those people where they work for the station, where they work for office for work. Some of them, they take that job at their own personal contract. Normally, they are not the boss. They can work where they do your paperwork and all that. But it doesn't mean that the person is your right boss. Even though it's your right boss, for instance, example, like when I used to start this my job, like one lady like that, okay, or what edokpayi, or where we are at TMO, or where a gavan, because in our clients will be a leader was on winner, okay, or where a gavan, or not TV will be or where gavan, or we may a replacement, and I will not sorry, and I will so one, or when no, or where you must do it. And I will keep quiet, my friend. Or say, but obviously. Now, what is that? And I want family. You told them I want to get for 1 year. Because she was trying to, like, you must. On a what you must in a while. You might be my way. Or you worried you that the mamma clients if you're only. You can need that was so. Anyway, I'm with our boy, so in our boy office. You can say, why not come and I will listen and listen very good. Next time, if you want to give me any plan, please. Do yourself a favor, give me my plan on time. Because normally I have clients even now where you will replacement him and I have clients or clients even now travel. You need to give me that replacement when energy then energy at least before 5 o'clock a bureau okay we or okay no na hear me. Or maybe meso one meso born me 4 hours, meso born me do 12. When I to attack me we must no. You must when you are going to worry you must while you and you boy a secret give office or in your life. We try. What do Diane K? Edwards, man. One, I am not your cat. I am not your dog. I am not your pet. No, do I go one very honey? And not by do I know where was soon. Yeah, Ivano. You know, we give no soon, give no son. I got baby. What's your bonnet? Oh, but I'm a multi everywhere. Nearly even a mess of one. Who you must buy? Why? Because he writes me. Or is it when he laugh or when he what's a worry about me? A bad move where what your office drop you over. You drop it. Okay? Drop it you over way. And when they be at your feet because I address it again so I hold you. Be a man taking you take anything like a mafia character. You might like come and go behave. A right in any he's so born everyone is so one. Okay, no add you on instead of Nila one. Then who to love at 2 o'clock, who does up on the 6. Or that female working warrior any mere. Me man when we are paying him well. So why go the reason that you must see you. Okay? So then I stop it. Okay, we now understand ourselves at least to glory be to God. In one company, I am not working with them. August 31st, I'm making 4 years in one company. That show I'm a good worker in a good department. Oh God, objection overruled. Are you getting me? Here I had a replacement in like on Friday now. My money tomorrow night is national holiday. Everybody is home. Like my client now, which is Mayfair, Mayfair's tomorrow. Tomorrow is May 1st. On Friday now, my client in the morning, which is 4 hours, she's in holiday. Okay? So there, a client in the anti never where Okpame Viva, Yeah, vate oni ante, but I cannot do that because okay can you client or ga kota. No ro. Only ma change. Ole go go your parowa. So ada change go we ba hwe dojo we be Friday. Akeri enime abeti aka nemene laho wa like ya na fear with ya na negotiate. The client we rowa na me na fear with you no. Are you getting me? Because I got here me I was me ya but at least it's a plus to me. But a bureau can name okay I discuss with a client because I did discuss with the client. Since a client is made over we yet it am I will not sorry it will me by my people. Ya we know already go member when I go make better we but I let you women. Do you understand? Because I'm my school in my your pledge job for that simple reason. You don't control me. I know my rights. I know my work. Okay? Like a client investor, for example, let's assume in here. He had your hospital, in my appointment, you only my way zigzag. You only the honor or Nairo, why you only the honor party, you honor the Tuesday, the Friday. Then the metobomo where we take clients in here, when we take clients in, then you call office, we get any yarn jail. A client in here with good. Bravo. Are you getting me? Then may even go service, when he may everything. As you tell you everything. While women know we are mature every day. Are you getting me, my people? So I love when someone you are going with someone, just let's be free with that person. May go pretend in the loma. If I don't like you, I will just put it to you. We have a man like you whereby staying away from you. Or mommy get a card here upon it. But just that some people don't know how to behave. If you don't like them, a friendship will by all means. Come to me, go away, come another day. If it don't, you know, they will just they want your friendship, but they will they criticize you, say, now you be bad person, now you they pretend, but whereas if they get that your friendship, they go embrace her. I cannot go no yele de no keke no mama me no gba ya wo mama wa no mo ya wo baba wo se ya fefe wo gbabo iya ye ti ye manager am I women not as on sisi a woman of Chiba and caliber. Are you getting me, my people? So my beautiful Iyeki One International, thank you so much, my darling, for your good heart. I love you. Please don't because some set of rigmarophobia, Jagbajeski people to change your hearts. Okay? We, your lovers, I talk if I did your platform, I am not a presenter anymore. When I'm in your platform, I am not a presenter anymore. I am your lovers. If anything want to be done, like your lovers want to join hands together and participate in your platform, I will join there. That is how we take the player. Eri maya work any Jesu ade. Osalo brandi keso anwe yoni. He marry greater for one day. I receive more blessing. I receive a lot of love from people. People appreciate me. You get one day when one mommy tell me, say, Mama Suzy, you are too sweet, my darling. And your pani ya like you. And it's that way. Eje, you know we are not the real wow. You have a beggar of which you are always a giver. Ina wijo ave mama na be mommy na we na be beggar wow. You know, do you understand? You know the video where we do on Sunday. After una give me that stuff, I tell una money I don't get for star. I never take out. Or whatever beg. A star wa wajeni me ni waya. Ni wa re star me. Wa this is 2023 na re star me. A star me. Hey, good evening, my sweetheart, my darling joy. We wa o ne kosi. Ba o miss ye ne kere. Usamo get take big one well. Joy na you get ya gbe one. Are you getting me, my people? Esther ye we no river. I try your magbo. It is starting. We no river. Are you getting me? After that show on Sunday, one mommy we dey UK. Ije no poko ni je. Mommy for life we say no ki. Ekpo no keri voniri. Eri ti yo uvon ga vokia. After that Sunday show, that's one mommy take call me you. Say, Suzy, my sweet Suzy. Now I call mama. We send that can't worry. That mama no know her before you have money you go. £100. Now mama said, "Come give me." £100. Mommy said the go from UK. Imao there. £100. Or when you de makeup away, ni ya rao, ni ya de palette keke with lipstick, ni ya rukbe mena de no smooth no de chocolate na. Elisi mena na. No ya bukbeji, or you know me ton no. Or when you ya de lipstick, ni ya rakbe keke with makeup, ni ya rao. No okay, that gege ike. Or when you had the finocchio party very by mommy, Eruni nanu. Ikeme, my dali. What's so, my dali, easy? You can say that again. That was the gift after that video. If I finish a video, ni mama said to me, say the call wire ba. Or when you can't buy many blessing when I wear really, but me my way or where it doesn't matter. I love you. You are too bored. And that is, you are a woman of Tiba caliber. We say ya. A man we are mokoko asu hojiyahu. Yes, I love brave people. When someone is trying to intimidate you, let that person understand the way. You know we gele. You know we account no banel. Unu no nak pe value agbon iri uge. Man say 30 minutes or send the telari ba. Be wa get na card instant payment. You gonna wire about €130. £100. Hey! Ibere kezo. E ma tagwe. Na we betie okpoko niji. On what behalf of my family. Me no ya defadation keke me lipstick. Be we na no chocolate na no ya we say mommy. Wa ya sunu ya gagbe. Germany is 200,000 plus the Nigerian money. I love you, mommy. Thank you so much. Ekpono keri go ni rebi ti you. Igo ni luri mo salopo aga ha we go ni gbeke na he ni ge ni lage. Uri go ni na ri ne so e. E so e no ma. E o salopo akin ari e dagbon we. Oh ekin. All my gifts I give her to all of una wutu. Thank you, Madali. How you doing? Madali Edos, thank you. Tumes nice, sweetie. My love, how you doing? And mommy say, it is good to be good. And I appreciate all of you now, all you yeki lovers around the globe, for shining the same love to me, mommy Suzy Suzy. Oh, sometimes, shine what you ask, Chanel. Hey, yeki levels already one. May God and Jesus Christ bless you guys for me. We 30 days in same media. No. I don't understand what you went to see this evening. May God and continue to bless you guys and protect you guys. In the name of Jesus. Wow, man. Are you getting me? Wow, man, you guys are blessed. The kind of one that they give me, eh? Why I get to you 2020? A love when you was here, Coco. Always most more full of ye was a love ni Coco, a love ni one do you get there. The kind love one that they give me, ye was here Coco, what you're not, was against a gay, by Sage, say, if you ever get a shy baby, if you ever get blessed dominion, if you ever get mommy constant constance, if you ever get favorites, if you ever get priceless, if you ever get Joy Aleki, if you ever get Joy Messenage, if you ever get Jennifer, if you ever get Coco. Hey, the many will be what the left will be a lot of live. Ya wa be gbe ya wa mu me wutu. Any place where I go, Mommy Suzy, if you do not see them. E kediri ari Mommy Suzy why so when why better send social media na. Ami wa boy recognize wa. Yari Africa shop be come na Mommy Suzy come mommy. Come Mommy Suzy. Gay, then why am ye me why you go me boy idigwe uwa ama a lover si veni re pejo keke we lover se monica no re pejo salobo you go do maya go waya imenyo be pejo no eta tete me de we mami Suzy u hot ma be mana e mi ni anti comedy akin e love ri eni ma e ta mo pa no re pejo mo na idiot me go no we no do ka ma megwe ipete ateke ni enu obo me o iwe se o e keni na give dey Sunday a period in your worry, you take me out here, can okay, Latin. Oh, now we want to shave and I will not come back with my condolence to the period. Latin. Are you getting my darling, Bessie? Good evening, my darling. Are you getting me, my people? So it is good to be good. When you are loved by people, a homa nego, you not loved by people. If you are loved by people, I see Kenya Mebuniaji. Say people in the country they hate. Nobody stay with them. Everybody run away from them because they be hate. Nobody stay with them. Everybody run away from them. Everybody ran away from them. Some people we see that they will not say, hey, sister, hey, you good evening. They're not the same person where they greet them. And we are learning. They're not the same person. Everybody is running away from some people. Everybody is running away from them. Nobody want to greet them. Because I am loved by people. Imagine us say here the where oh, you might like me. We go money talk before me. And one can find out you will know is jealousy. They will look here like it with me. Very yagi no. A funny me no. Oh here no. If you see me for breath at the waka, not be saying I go call you go hail. Oh be easy. Oh man, I go here very yana. Yes so. As I be me shakara if I the waka, not be saying I go con. I know they pretend they do one. Na follow con shakara. Baba we vene siye ni kake we bow leg many. Ha baka. Don't go there. Only at wo. You understand? Some people never see me. Some people don't they love me before they even see me safe. I swear to God who made me. Una lele ne kiya ne bata. Uma na achieve. Unwege molele kiya. Ose ni na love Monica. O eni me legbe Monica me wote social media na wazi egbe. Osalopa ni gbe na mi aro negi magu negi mahu mi 2027 beti osalopa wa bege mi negoto. Evi negoto. Isili sisen wari emeni de bani we mu na ni sikoko. Evi ni jawu ni yala to te social media na ederi ya opuni wi ya mawa. Ederi yo ya opuni wi ya mawa. Why we yes iku ye iyo wana obege social media wana achieve ne no hiambo wo ma be I jolosi o ma na gbon mi na ma mi ni why ala te social media na gbon ma mi ila social media na ne okay ina mi pepe jo get na la social media na da wala o I ma mi pepe jo be gani ile le moni kakiane ike mi pepe jo take it or leave it isu ale le moni kane ike mi pepe jo I started being Monica lovers in early 2019. Yes, early 2019. I got my documents in 2020. It's a great achievement. It's not easy. Better document all. Are you getting me? Only now a day for about every boom. In my only swan kai. Say ya egberami. Okay? Il est le Monica kia, o monari odori. Il est le Monica kia, o mona hama. Il est le Monica kia. Omona biebetio salopwa ilele monika kia omona with introduction omona with marriage a platform in monica mana celebrate here abugwa miamiane marriage and introduction was done in that platform celebration of iyomomo of a grandchild okay a platform in here you know that is step by step growing of my grandchild you get to get all of the picture na ya da boy Nije ya we baby shower, nije ya we marriage, no ya we introduction, na ya biomomo, no ya tota, no ya swankia, no ya swangwa tai, no ya we gayojo. Ije ki won every but ono say yeti atana we mama Suzy daughter, na so she be like a mama o. E to we omiun. You understand? They pretend lele. Oh, okay? Apart from yin, ije boy. If e presenta avere no me picture vi me ero ave individual people ni ke teme ni ki manere social media ni ki but if iye boy and iyeki they know my daughter picture they know but most proof no ba concern the picture vi me e money come on so that pretend the for even me to count on her if picture ni me mamula de social media ni me lock me na avion ni di pretend the lele e parity no yi me you go to come live video. My children are my priority. Or in my face, Osalopa na jigbera me make ke money no ya jeme. They are my priority. Do you think you go and walk by me here and then not send money? Error. You understand? Error. Are you getting me? So you that is saying that I'm pretending. Now you all day. She knows say I know they pretend for her. Or he capro. You understand? Especially a Gemini. Oh, Jesus Christ of Omunude. Iya go makun. Iya go makun. Wokani e koko duweni. E koko duweni yokani. He no be say na go kun. Ije ki ame picture we ije me oh mama. Oh we dia be me sagi no more say. If you see her, yeah, and the mama they be like half cast. Don't be saying na go kun. These are the most joy I have, you know. As especially my daughter. She's not a liability daughter. We go the marry obewe. Itu ari go gyota fun etu ari go kin etu awon na yeti amanya wan ya we se. Yeti imeri go gyo vi tete no yari ebageki. Be so 1 week my me gbe that dog wo get wo do je disturb e get me se na ma wa di gap ni gbe. Look, ovie mama be ya be se owe amazan o te be settle ya na wa o igberi o je. Wọ́n wọ́n tó wẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀bẹ̀ ṣe kẹ́ mẹ́bẹ̀ tí àná ìmẹ́ wá kó ẹ̀wọ̀n wá o ṣàìtì wá o ṣàlọ́pàá yóò gbẹ̀dọ̀ máa gbẹ̀wẹ́ gbẹ̀gẹ́ wà wẹ́ wí sẹ́ ẹ̀rí màá yá wẹ́ mẹ́ people ẹ̀rí màá wá wẹ́ ní ní màá wá ẹ̀jọ̀ ẹ̀zẹ́ iguali sí kànáà sí mẹ́lẹ̀ lótọ̀ ìmánì dẹ̀ àtọ̀bọ̀ mẹ́ diet yẹn yìí mọ̀ tó bọ̀ mẹ́ diet ọ̀gẹ́ náà tó sí ní lọ́nà mẹ́wọ́ tó náà bọ̀lù mẹ́kẹ́ àbẹ̀ náà bọ̀lù yẹ bùkọ̀ náà yà àwẹ̀ sùn yìí mi òwe. Are you getting me? This is the reason I'm swag. Yà sister yìí màá bẹ̀ nà jẹ́ni. Enako komede, Adidas okomoide, Nokia komede, Motorola komoide, to buy to no ide. Anything that please me, I do it. Cause again, are you getting me, my people? So my dear, my darling, amazing people, follow no road. Follow no road. You get? Follow no road. A presenter no ege ko emma. Nene ke na yak bo formation ma tiki. Eko wega mwe lele. Ba itana. E suita chokpa no ti bebe na ima hoye. Ogize gie tutu go. Ibega gane. E rugwe gie. You get? Oze gie we boy o mo mi phone gbe. Be to be ma. Nekere. Ime ka be wo ma we akia. Do you understand? So ediono. Wa ya fe the support me. Isrogo if you agbon lirugi iwune e famako ogere blight ye bagi ya mwefu me awe wona be le blight be bo na be agbon lirugi okpe osaloba be ye be ya bless oma be na be do mi ho ne me mi ho ne be bejona or see e ye bejona. They deserve my happiness, they deserve my love, they deserve it. Especially those of them no ka mi e be bo na gbo yoto they deserve my respect. Those who need it to, those who deserve it. Okay? Because I know here, my bega meku no moja o my si mega kuna je meku no moja. Anybody they meet a blessing one ya. Okay? Una wa bi ame pay na pay tax we dey respect no, but una fi who pay tax ka wona we go igbo ko ya affect be. You get me, my people? You are really respecting me ya fe. You me ni wo my one not make me bejo ya tama we. Okona me go man. Sometimes you make ya to man for there. Me as Africa shop be nebo arika ya fi kone. Once a space one once be maybe ya dey water ipa ne. E dey left me say. You get or mommy get my like here. This is how I do my thing and I'm really a favor of me and I love it. Okay? Even bad mi on pa ni koye bo na no ron pa do mu latin. Expo wana ne me be musia. Ya ne me be musia. They will tell you say this is our mommy general, iron lady. Every bata. Mari wuna vegeni. He may make him happy yo. Mavi ade. Edi mavi happy really. But most of them they live in Victoria, Papillona, Bilbao. They always talk about me because was it? My beggar ya fiancane. He say, Mama, even thought you gave her your money, now your daughter. Exactly, but I would not like to do that, my darling. Yes, the money I gave, I can say me 50 euro, me 100,000. Me already birthday I usually bless them on their birthday because the both of them they celebrate almost the same time. 5 days different. Okay? 5 days different, which is 2025. You see, Now both of them now the same. This thing that they celebrate. Edokpayi ya wear a bed here. So if I want to bless, I bless the both of them on a meal, on a meal. That is how I usually do it. Say make a come cancel where okay, my ishin, la wo shin, ye oni dona, ya wanna ye so. Am I no medze? No. Am I no medze? Do you understand? She never asked me. Okay? Don't be say she asked me if I get her, not go give her. You understand? But she not they asked me. But okay, I go to no member. I train her for school. That is what I did. The same thing. The way we not you know bana. Or we finish school in bus one. O go no ro me here guy here. Is biomo we me na no insurance na ekpu we me na no insurance. Ekpu we me gbe oko na no insurance pe ku si be na gbe oko e. Ekpu we no me code number. Ekpu we no me na that number original pekos. Ne gbe oko e. Ekun no bi oka. We no biomo no rieva e no ma. Ona we gbe bi o ma omo be no ri oko be no ma ti me grandma. Wa beg ya no we. You be a jeta be there. I miss grandma. You see? Eva ya di dunya ya fe. No ma eme. Be ma yi dunya ze u pa kaka yi dunya. Be ma ya di ya di no ma eme hero. Oh wa vie ya fe. Picture of wa ya. This is my grandma. My grandma. This is my grandma. You see the happiness. Women na e no say na me women na insurance you one way my people. Mommy Suzy na truth your pekos get insurance. Yes, it gets. My pekos get insurance. Ah, mama, how you take do insurance for this your pekos? Okay, regardez là-bas. Make a brief after you before I cut this video because I want to make okra soup. But I'm not going to eat it today. It's going to be tomorrow in the afternoon to chop eba. Okay, with meluza and ewi and small beef tukele. You get? As I tell you pekos for my insurance, my people, who no gata insurance yo. Yeah, insurance. What's the one? Mama, not a gele no. Ogu we me insurance. Oh, I maybe agboni yogi. Okay? My pekos started having insurance 2021. Yes, 2021. Now so I can't carry myself back. I can't go my bank. Now I can't go there. I say I want to do insurance. Now my bank ask me say now two bank they operate plus one joint account. That one what they call now. Whether na ING. That one where they get orange and a tiger. That one I mean with my wibo. That the people say insurance exactly. Now me with that but I can't get this what they call this I just forget a former post bank and bill bank. I can't go my bill bank because now then my pay slip, you know, if I need get salary me or Larry. I said I want to do insurance for my pekos. Now they say, yeah, you want to do insurance for your pekos? I say yes. How will I tell the two? They tell me there is insurance for 50 euro, there is insurance for 100 euro, there is insurance for 200. The one where you like you do, okay? Where you will do. But Saloba no la will go. The time was setting West 2 years or 3 years. You or setting to 40,000 euro or 50,000 euro or 60,000 euro. Like that. Okay, it's something you have to do with your bank. Now I can say, okay, I want to do so amount like this. My life insurance that I want to do, I want to do it. I want to do my life insurance. It's possible. He said yes. He said yes. You can do it. But in the condition that you need control. Okay? Because we get a daft number. You can say that again, my darling. My pekos get pin code. My pekos get not that number. My pekos get plate number. I mean, they tell you, pekos we carry grace na be this one. In a ekpo we no yegi. Ekpo na gbemila je wari emilari fukao emili saiwe no metozo wari yo fien gi ya uwa fien gi ekpo eni. Ekpo no nya gban na henana. Ekpo no biomo no riba e no ma. Ekpo eni mena mu gi jomo. Ekpo mena he. Okay? Ekpo no mena dele bi me. Na hena. Very soon ekpo mena re title. Yes. The title or you will be again here back with your salobana 3 years or title. Once we went from a nuclear, or you may not your nuclear once of finishing school, or what you who or then nobody who there you put even once of you no can wa biomuka e put even no carry grace or what title kakabo. Are you getting me, my people? So now okay, I will even and I will even Yahweh. Automatically insurance in that way when I maybe I go you or a life insurance in a life insurance in or kun or why I'm with women I sick me away. Here ya can an office in this. Here when you can feel an office in this. Here any on insurance. Do way you over my woman kind. Okay? Yeah, but we are a baby salon, a baba not bebeto, a baba no bebeto. I mean, I generate on one benny on my life insurance. Are you getting me? So I have my life insurance. I attend to my life insurance. They need to control you by their old doctor. You have to give you no wrong. If you have any like you don't get you were diagnosed whatever, you cannot do it. That is just the truth. It's a long process. Because they will not allow you to go and bring doctor this thing, okay? From your doctor. No, they don't allow you to do that. They will do their control by themselves. And it's a very serious control. If you think I am lying, just go to your bank, verify, they will tell you. But what I did, and I did the insurance for my lovely, amazing son with his name. But I am the one that is paid some automatic withdrawing money. And I do one like this, say, okay, I go do one now with my bobo name. But in future, in case of a case city, they want to take the money I am paying now. It's going to involve him and his sister. Because I have 2 kids. The other one is in Africa. Okay? They said, okay. It's allowed. That is how I do it. Then, there is... Now, normally, I get fire insurance, which is, if you spoil something for house, and that thing that you damage, it not concern house, not be say, it just damaged by itself. It gets your country where go spoil for us, house insurance go pay. It gets your country where you go spoil. Now you go pay by yourself, it not concern house insurance. Okay? So the next thing, instead of you to carry, because they look for money to repair something, you better just contact your fire insurance, it will come and do it for you. Then insurance or pay you. And you not get fire insurance. Are you getting me? You say, Mama, how much every month? Depends. 50 euro day, 100 euro day, 200 day, 300 day, 500 day, 1,000 day. They no power sell my darling. They no power sell. When I say back you when I'm with different prices, man. They no power sell. Ya pay. Argument is 200 euro. Automatically I withdraw it. Every blessed month to 200 euro. And I started it already for 2021. Just imagine now to 200 euro. 2021. We're going to go no everything good or bad. Okay? Then over we run and I pay 50 euro again. That one, na normal service. Your service waga save any. Be ya request yo. But na do service where you dey keep for the saloba no la go I hear money. O person. Ya ka we get person we. O ma say we are low. Igo ni. We back kiani. Igo ni. Ya dori ene ni go. Ya dori enu. Then do ya support e. Igo no ya so bobo. Wa here the dene. That one 50 euro every blessed month. Go to your bank and verify. You understand? Then for one bank, I have 4 insurance. 1 na life insurance. 2 na pension service insurance. Or many of you but in a very easy this thing. Then another one where they fire insurance in case anything no concern one or you take responsibility. Okay, your insurance will take place and pay it. Another one again. Imagine in a rich insurance in your go sabo me wa bi buy. Maybe for example, the way you work a glass of my glass in okay, I think that one is about 6 or 7 will be 8 0. Imagine that one is just for me and my this thing. Fire insurance na me and my son. But that service pension insurance, that one for me alone. Life insurance also is with my the name of my son. Fire insurance na me with I do my own, I do you that one dirty. And also the other one also, which is Sabagi Maria me. He say me I get that one. Me I get that one. Okay, which one do you have? The one where they save money they put. I be which one the fire insurance or something like that. Though if you can do it if you rent apartment, you can do it if you buy house. It doesn't matter. It help a lot in case of a case city. You understand? It help a lot. If you know say you not get fire insurance, any country where you there, I beg. Especially when a country that man similar in it, why I wear mine, it they help where. You understand? Because I get a lot of people in Spain, they don't even have any idea of this fire insurance. They don't have any idea. Are you getting me? But when I have insurance, a problem here, insurance where I go pay every year, all those money, you go no line account me worry no what concern insurance na the month I work back. It's almost getting to 300 or almost 300. Like my life insurance to 200 now they pay to 200. It say me and child get that one if you spoil something for another person. Okay. Me and my son still get some. You may aware but my area me what you understand? But when so every day automatic, you know, I feel you understand. So a life insurance where I be get my incentive pay. Do I be break you get when I be break or lose woman break if future again because only you na gigi small wa be nya gbo susun ni Tony be nya gbo. So the most of no be day important to say if that life insurance. Okay? The life insurance in it. Like me na respect. Me ma da wa be gbebere oni. Be gi lie. E bejo me na de gbe na ko me na ni. E me na do one more those things dey affect. Glory be to God anyway. So if you are in also a lepo we na insurance so ya gbon mi lobi. So epo ya okpa ogo me ogo insurance. They no insurance. If not say no na me na that number take me pick code. Or a service insurance no get person me save you to on your na that number me wo. So dog we me ogo me wa e get pu we ma mo na that number e get pu we gi ogo me e pu we mo me na that number wo ri e dog we me den e pu we me jeje e pu we no carry grace e pu we no me pin code e pu we no me plate number e mi ya gbajo e pu we me e pu we no sovio ni gbe oko e pu we na de gbe la salo bo mi e pu we na de gbe la papa. Mimi ukbana gika the live video na abi de gbele ku eziwo ni ezioke. So that is it to say me and my child get the oh God. You die in my car better. Oh God. It's a whisker no sickness person get way there no go do life insurance for. Anything okay. Remember break it down, my darling. According to how they explain to me, it's a fire, water, and other insurance is together for your apartment or house. Life insurance. Exactly. Maybe for example, Bana, we say yo Bana, u can't have pa, u get a point in them. U can't have pa, u be o, nu be muari obe, u can't be stage. Then you will still go and meet them in your bank. Okay? If you want to change the address, you go and meet your bank. If you go where or where very only address you stay you know ya weni. Or ever una change me ati enana. Ube ya change me bank where ugu wherever o. It will very and give no don't make that mistake oh my people. Me una not make that mistake oh. Mona not make can. If you do that fire insurance, water insurance, whatever insurance, no cost and over. We can change apartment you already located area city or in that country or mami name rockba. We will get probably area bank you we are changing. You give live here now. If I give live here, you have change the address. Are you getting me? They will still change the address for you. Not just to say you wear ikpabe manare or raw video. You have the address with you because address we are where you Osage, you dey here. You dey bedroom here. You understand what they talk. Whether I lie, they talk. I beg. Like boy, you did to we. Change apartment. Not change over address. You need to do it. He say exactly. Thank you, my darling. Priceless good, baby. So while change address, you go and change it. Woman change address, you leave it. Or when wafi where I don't do one, you change address and not go change that. Not try am. Or read the one where no, not do one. You go and change it. Okay, my people. I give only done any yam again. I'm a okay. Since 2017, I don't put 80 euro for my person. Okay, now they put. Okay, very good. Very, very good, my darling. Very good, yes. Mama video is on my video. You understand? Any money you go wild is only what you buy. Or my mini we go wire when the do me own way buy the open. But we are change will be a one increase because automatic I very automatic carry your automatic. Okay? Every of the 20 you go me up you like every of the 21. Almost the same time I have okay? Or 20 or 22, so it's almost the same time. Very important. It's a Nassau for Belgium. Okay. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. So you know, okay? You may go, you say exactly when you move from house, go back to the thank you, my darling. Yeah, we Belgium on the you told him my wife. Or why happy maybe no I swear. If you have a salopa, I got mama. Or ya mama be Belgium. Ina ya CEO, ina ya integrate, ina ya writing, ina ya operate. If you matter kind of wagmo, ina do hoe, then I yan ye, ina do hoe, if na ya de yosa, ina do hoe, if you no take no, na ya me when we do de yosa, cause me was and a the committee. Imi ove, okay, this yet start the you go in my yosa, but I didn't mind. You understand? So I'm really. That is one thing I really love. Coming here in Belgium, I love it. Especially the way I integrate myself. Well, hey, me and we so full. We are over. Immediate. In the university, in a degree 1, degree 2. Then they take it from accounts every month. Exactly, my darling. All those ones, automatically were not there. So glory be to God. If you dare country, you will dare expose. Very, very important. Like you can't date, that is, you can't date wise. Many things. You can't know how to do many things. It's very important. I'm telling you guys, I swear. Okay? So, if you know we are going to okay? Don't go ever party ever. Who like go ever for you? Who be go ever France? Me I be go ever France. I be go ever France. Yeah, you so I don't know if you're going to do who am now. Woman. Next month is my birthday. But Miss Suzy Suzy's birthday is next month 27. Let's just Saloba not so always full. Okay? Saloba not so always full. You understand? So many people they come and say, Mama, don't let person threaten you, make you go sleep. Why worry? But you do what sort of? See, I want my papa na be the oba. I was na be me. You can't have me give me happy me. You understand? Mona, not worry. Of course, I might threaten him anyone when you way it make me any kero. You must say rubbish in it. You may man with Facebook or dear we no want man to threaten him where you want look at video. Hell, mother stand there. Salopwa on. When I baby one salopwa. So you know, salopwa no so there you can do it. You don't be a gun. You Okoran no more yamu. Let it was a social media a war because maybe a presenter and no answer a day amu every year or to you till in them. Be 1 million. So, yeah, what penny I be yachting in any like doing a dear moon, yeah, that's you till it. Macam so again, I just that when I say kidding, Manadi, because here I did Manabi Fioni. Anything. I'm having the threatening in the way, threatening when they are doing. Era no quite buying your jamuka, you buy your jamuka, no man did it. You go in your another when I'm going to die. You don't know, yak, but you Kojo, I love you guys. Please, so let us be one and move together like one family. Yes. You know, I'm on the way to me. I'm on the way to see one love my people. So I just said your poke on tomorrow you go work. See one who was it should be one now. Normally I'll tell you when we see one who want to tell me. Or maybe no idea. It's a very important personality, this thing. You'll go over tomorrow, sweetheart. Sage, you say, no, I don't receive any tax and I don't pay back also. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good, sorry. That's good. But it's good if you upgrade yourself by knowing how to behave. Because a Belgian woman, a Belgian woman, hey, or when they are there, they don't play with their right to. If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Belgium know they get your time for but just get the character. Anyhow, see anyhow. Or la bossy keka tram. Yeah, man, umana David, and if you're like a Belgium, do you know what when you are working in Belgium? If you are taking Epa Domosa, right, well, Domo, a mama, Domo, I greet you personally. Domo, ware a Belgium, manana, una win a Belgium, mana, eh? Do you know that your transport fare, most companies, they do pay your transport fare? If they drive bicycle, they go pay food. If they get car, they go pay put. If they enter bus, they go pay put. Most company for this Belgium, so they did one. If you know, I'm not working tomorrow, okay. And next, yeah, I'm beginning to. So you have a okay weekend. You go work. You are enjoying your being early tomorrow. Go and ask them, sorry. Go and ask them. Yeah, like a busy person, man, or what to boost of him and me, I want automatically, no. But you give me feel, I want to pick up with benefit is all over the receive matter check. A matter check one with a full time, a matter check in many 100 euro, 95 euro, 100 euro, 100 euro, matter check in me. Man, no your salary, okay, I do pay me because compared to when we now and the salary work, bolo. We are here with busy pass or take around that 300 or something like that. Yes, in Niger. But you see, when I have one in automatic in Yahweh or to beg Rioba, that is one thing about Belgium. It cannot come when at the same thing. They'll just do one for you. You know, go, you know, pay put. They'll do one. You get so, and that is so lovely. And another thing, a matter check it. It's very, very important. Very, very important. I too love Belgium, yeah. Salopwa will see. Although we live on so far, you have it so far, but I'm a mere son, I am you. But to God be the glory today. I am enjoying the fruit of my labor. Yes. And I wise where we are this month. Where, I'm working. Imalele man, Zagakian. Malelo Moja move for the our war. Me a wag your man, son, yaga, negate. Or phone, if I could be a woman, I'll just stay away. Anyway, I was say another 1 meal, so boy. I go one mamma, me all that better, and I may you book my gentleman away. Ew, you will go yammy, or my son would have one. Our war. Or my son would have yak money, you get. It might be me a for there will be government too. The government in Aria for no one where government to be no one. You say, I am not working. Weekend too. Hey, long holiday. I'm already. He give me 2 weeks holiday. Okay. Because I've been waiting on when my travel now. But you give me in Nigeria. But December time, by the grace of God, because I foresee make I go nowhere. I want to go visit my sweetheart, a friend like a sister, my childhood friend who got to go ABC. Okay, in primary school. I be want to go greet her for nowhere this time, but I go December because this year I go holiday where. Okay, first of all, very soon I will go to Spain. Are you getting me, my people? I will go to Spain. Then before the end, also it will be Spain again. Me I Spain because of my Spanish residents. So I want to go and change the picture. Understand? Or my say 3 months to you get the me sitari. You may not change me antina. You might only be penny for what exam. But only for. But maybe I may passport in it. Maybe I my passport or game on it. A boy you see I in my I'd never know. I know that in Ogo Dobby, you know, it were 11 money. Says 2021. I dey Belgium. I got back for 2021. It's about 24 years now. We don't say for you, my love. You see, I say the Natabania Wubani Kala Belgium and Igbo Tonebe, Nanawe, Idiogonua. You got deserve a way worry near here. The Adoka where we may be no carry, I saw your woman. Humanity respect in Igbo. He has so your woman, so you document you with us walk by. But I mean, most of the people we get passport, we are not for this country, they too get respect to. They respect me and they respect me. Yeah, man. Yeah, ya ogbe me Salobo Adebagua. Why ya gbe me any place wanna me no mommy Suzy. Abi ma be gwa. Why we can set why you why ya mama wa to. Why ya fe ya no love mommy Suzy around the global Salobo Adebagua. I am loved by people, not be saying I go come. If you know, you know. Where ti argue me we man like me be social media one me and with video me baba repeat man love me. Hey. Yeah, girls are me. Understand? So, it's time why ya me. Me. What's up? I have video ya we very blog ya we very blog because of by 1 month in the buy later. So very soon you already to download it and resend it again. That is it. I love you, Yeki, because you have a good heart. My sweetie, my dearie Jenny, my darling Yeki. I love you, sweetie. I love you. We don't care what enemy is saying about us. We move. I love you, sweetie. I love you. Your smile make me happy. You are my yori. You are my takeaway. You will go successfully, and the Lord Almighty and our Nika will protect you for your going and coming back. Because this is your nyash where you want to go nyash now. All of us, we go use the nyash, we go nyash together. Epa Eddie. No, again, we go no be a nyash. To nyash. Not be small money, oh. Before you know, play, 10,000 K or wafian. Not be small money, oh. Now get money the nyash. So this your nyash. You will do it successfully. The God will stand by you and protect you. Will be old school for Belgium. Yeah, you see now. Baby, your man, small, full of. Baby, your man, my